Sabi niya, okay. Ikaw, Jerome, dumaan ka? Sulidong? UP ka man? Doon na, ito ka. Sabi ka agad ng mata na, yeah, okay, you sit down, you recite. Putang. Di kamot. Sabi ko, sir, there is no question yet, sir. Putang inagata. God damn it, Duterte, do not scratch your head, there is dandruff lying around. Let it stay in your head because that is the only one you have. Kwento ko lang sa inyong dinaanan na